Hello guys, what is up? In this video, we are going to show you how you can install Surfshark on your Android TV. So this goes for any Android or Google TV because Android and Google TV has the Play Store. So once you are in your home screen, you want to go to apps, as you can see on top, and then click on apps. And then there's going to be an option that says open Google Play Store. So click on that using your remote. Once you are here, go to your right hand side and go to the search bar and search for Surfshark. So we're going to do that right now. Or just type in surf with S and then press enter. There we go. And as you can see, Surfshark is already there. So click on Surfshark using your remote and just click on install like so. And as you can see, it is now installing. Pending to install. There we go. Let's wait for it to finish. There we go. It's not going to be that slow or fast depending on the internet connection. And as you can see, we have now pretty much installed Surfshark on our Android TV. Let's wait for it to finalize. Yeah, usually it's the installation that's going to take a bit longer than the download, especially if you have fast internet connection. So again, let's wait for it. And as you can see, we have now installed Surfshark on our Android TV. So pretty much at the end of the video. I hope you liked it. Like, comment, share, subscribe, ring that bell icon. I'll see you on the next video.